At Plastic Treaty Talks, no united front for industry. Busan, is virgin plastic production vital or completely unsustainable? For the industry lobbyists at UN talks on plastic pollution, the answer is far from unanimous. The corridors of the Busan Exhibition and Convention Center, where the treaty to curb plastic pollution is being negotiated, teem with corporate representatives. There are the chemical and petrochemical firms whose products are the precursors for plastic, the food and cosmetic companies whose packaging depends on it, and the automakers whose vehicles are increasingly full of it. All back a treaty, but what they want to see in it differs significantly, particularly on the issue of production. Production caps and reducing the amount of material in the system would impact those least able to afford it the most, warned Stuart Harris, spokesman for the International Council of Chemical Associations, ICCA, the body group's global industry associations, and is pushing for a treaty focused on waste management rather than manufacturing limits. We see the need for more material in the system overall, Harris said, urging a focus on circularity instead of restrictions on new production. A big problem. It's a position echoed by some in the auto sector, who say recycled plastic cannot yet meet the stringent safety requirements for vehicles. Mark Backus, senior manager at Toyota, also warned that the electrification of cars will require more plastic to balance out their heavier batteries. If we have a scenario where plastics are going to be less available, that's going